Hey, what's up, y'all? Today, what I want to show you is a drop-down list, customized. So here I have a sales sheet with my products and my unit price. What I want is a customized drop-down. For example, for like cookware, I want to see if it's in-store or it's online. So what I've done is on my second sheet, I created I named it drop-down. You can name it whatever you like. And in here, I put in-store, online. You can add whatever you like. I just selected these two for, for fun, right? So select your row or your column, go to, make sure you're on your data tab, go to data validation, click on data validation. On this drop down, select list. Your source is where you're getting the information from. So select on this icon, go to your drop down tab, select the two that you've written, click on the icon again, and now you have your range. Click OK. And now cookware, in-store, photo frames, online, and you can go all the way down and select whatever you like. Thanks for watching.